It is simply Keisha.
Who do I think I
know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face, don't be all in my space. You know they say that everything you
the Hawaiian barbecue place, so let's go in and check it out. They have a lot of different things, and I think I'm supposed to try one of the corn dogs. I don't know, so let's just do it. It smells so good in here. It smells amazing. It's how to enjoy. Choose my coating. 2 hands. Spicy potato, classic American. You can go to one restaurant and get 2 restaurants inside of one. This is crazy, you guys. This is crazy good. They have kimchi seasoning fries. If you guys know what kimchi is a spicy cabbage. They have spicy cabbage flavored fries. Are you kidding? This is a really cute little area. It's Hawaiian themed. A lot of aloha themes, everything. Oh, and it's good. Look at our corn dogs. Oh my god. Yo, what really is really but I could have gotten, you can actually get them filled with mozzarella, like, and it'll be like a huge cheese stick. Instead of like having like an order of cheese sticks, it'll just be like this one huge cheese stick on a stick. That's our order. Let's go. So guess what? You see now, we got this. And watch the taste test that we are about to do. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm going to leave you a review. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, next time. Bye-bye. All right, you guys. Y'all jealous? You jealous? I know you big mad because of what I have in this little bitty bag. You big mad. But no, give a shout out to Kahuku Poke and 2 Hands. 2 Hands is where we got the corn dogs from that is dipped and dusted in Doritos and Cheetos. But the Kahuku Poke Hawaiian barbecue is where we got our plate and our bowls from. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and give you guys a review. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion, but I'm gonna be real. It smells amazing. Y'all wish y'all could smell it. Y'all wish y'all could.
Facial recognition software.
All right, y'all. So we just left from Two Hands and Kahuku Poke. Yeah, that's how you say it. Ooh. If you know, then you know. Then you know that I love fries, I love potatoes, and that's just what it is. So this is coated with potato, and they say it's spicy sauce and hot Cheeto dust. I don't even know how to eat this. Food review by Simply Keisha. I am about to take my first bite. You can tell that it's my cheat day. When I tell you everything from the beginning bite tastes amazing. Dang! I didn't even bite much. Oh, tastes so good. Okay, I'm gonna just take a full bite now because I need to get at least a piece of the sausage. They really could give me this without meat in it. They don't even have to put meat in this. The bread, the breading, I would say. You know, the Okay, I'm sorry y'all, I was doing a food review, but actually watching a reaction video at the same time is crazy. But this was really good. I'm not gonna overindulge. As you guys can see, I'm actually on my third bite. This is extremely good, and I don't want to overeat on this. This is crazy good. This is so good. Shout out to Two Hands in Las Vegas, Nevada, off of Bermuda and Silverado Ranch. Make sure that you go and check them out because this is crazy. This is crazy. You guys subscribe to the channel, follow me. I will definitely be taking you along with me, and we can discover these new places and the places that people have known for all their years and lives, and all the new establishments together. Now, even though I did not show myself enjoying this beautiful meal, I did want to go ahead and upload the videos so everybody can just be jealous of how amazing and how delicious this food was. It was so tender. You guys, if you have not had Hawaiian food and you are inquisitive about it, it's really good. Like, it's really good. It kind of has like a sweeter sauce flavor, but other than that, it's really savory. You know, sometimes people are into sweeter things. This was paired. It was a perfectly balanced sweet. Okay, so I don't want you to hear that and be thrown off. It's amazing. But yeah, so shout out to Kahuku Poke on Bermuda and Silverado Ranch. They are deliciously amazing. Okay, go check them out and tell them Simply Keisha sent you. And thank you so much for watching. For more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe.
Rewind, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be all in my space, girl, I'm up in my prime. You make the money when you still believe in the hype. Definitely needs picture. I count my blessings and I double up on the light. And that was getting bigger.